please always make sure that you set up this emergency call number on your phone in case of emergency. So many people that are using iPhone, that are using Android phone, are not aware of this particular feature in your Android phone. Okay, this feature plays a lot of role, especially when you lose your phone and a good Samaritan finds your phone and wants to get in touch with someone that knows you. Okay, or in a case of emergency where something happens to you, it's not our portion, nothing is going to happen to us. God will always guide us, but we are humans. So in case if something happens to you, anyway, something happens to your enemy, okay, let me use it like that, and maybe a case of accident or a case something, once in a while you see some people, they have a heart attack and somebody collapse or something, or somebody, I don't know. Now anything that happens to anybody, this actually helps anyone that picks your phone to be able to locate your next of kin, your wife, your husband, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, whoever that is closest to you. This feature is very, very, very important. So make sure you set this up after watching this video right now, okay? Because it doesn't take even up to 30 seconds for you to set this up on your phone. Now let me show you what this does, okay? Now come over to your Android phone and go to settings. All right, once you go to settings, scroll down. This I'm using Samsung. Scroll down and find safety and emergency. Click on safety and emergency. Over here you will see emergency contact. Click on emergency contact, and over here you see add emergency contact. Emergency contact are people you trust to help you in an emergency. They will be contacted if you start emergency sharing. You can also show them on the lock screen for quick access in an emergency. So even if your phone is locked, someone can pick up your phone, like the way they can use your phone when it's locked to call 911. They can actually use your phone even if your phone is locked to call that your emergency number that you set. But if you don't set it, it's not going to appear. Now I'm going to click on add. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to type Wi-Fi. Okay, let me just put my wife number, Wi-Fi 2. Okay, now once you click on that Wi-Fi 2, you click on done. You've already set an emergency number. Now this is what happens. Okay, if you come to your phone and off your phone, now you guys can see that my phone is off. If you on my phone, okay, and go and swipe on this number, this dial button, if you swipe on it, it's going to bring out, okay, you can see emergency call. You see emergency call. Click on emergency call. Once you click on emergency call, okay, you can see over here it's going to show you Wi-Fi number. And while this phone is locked, once you dial this, okay, you can see call, okay, you can see is dialing that number, not minding that this phone is off. So anybody can actually use this my phone while it's off to call my wife during emergency. All right, so any number you set there, you can set your daddy's number, you can set your mommy's number, you can set your boyfriend, your girlfriend, your husband, your wife, your sister, your brother, your cousin, anybody that you can trust, that you know that once that person sees your phone call, the person will definitely pick it at first call, okay? And the person will always be there for you. Now, you have to set the number of the person, and you can actually inform the person that you set his number or her number as an emergency number in your phone. So whatever happens to you, which nothing is going to happen to us, but whatever happens in any emergency, if anybody sees your phone and use that phone and go to the dial button while the phone is off and call that number, immediately your phone can be able to call that number because you've already set it to an emergency number. Okay, so this is actually what I want to share with you, and if this video was helpful, please make sure you give it a thumbs up and make sure you follow for more tips like this.